Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable the 2FA on Zimbra in 2024. Of course, today we're focusing on enhancing the security of your Zimbra email accounts by enabling the two-factor authentication. With 2FA, you will add an extra layer of protection to your email communications, safeguarding your sensitive data and personal information. So join me as I walk you through the steps of enabling the 2FA on Zimbra in 2024. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll have to go and access your Zimbra account. To do so, go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case, it could be any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, basically just go to this URL section and type zimbra.com and hit the enter button. This should take you into their home screen or main screen right away. And of course, once you are here, you would like to log in into your account first of all, if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and create an account. Of course, if you don't know nothing about Zimbra and you just want to create your account, you can scroll down to read more information about it. As you can see, you'll be able to find a lot about it. So as you can see, if we click here on find the solution, you'll be able to see or to ask what you're looking for and etc. And of course, you'll be able to connect to it and to try it out. If it's your first time, you'll be able to see their products first of all, and you'll be able to do a lot of stuff. So for you, of course, make sure to go and download it, of course, into your PC. If you don't have it downloaded already, just go and download like the Zimbra as an example. Let me just go and show you how to download this. Maybe if you don't have it downloaded also already. So here, as you can see, you'll find where to download this for the Windows and for the iOS or Mac. So example here, let's just go and try to download it. So I'll just go and save that as an example. Once it's done in here, I'll just go and click on that. So even if it's done, I should wait for that until it's finished. Yeah. So I'll just go and click on it. And here as an example, click on yes as an example and agree, install, and etc. Will have to go through this installation process and wizard example. And once it's finished, of course, we'll be able to have access into our account. So as example one, I will just run it, check this option, or let's check, then click on finish so it can run. Now you'll have first of all to enter your email server as an example. So as an example, I'll just go here and type like a random one as an example, click on continue. So it's invalid. Of course, you'll have to go and get one first of all. For me, I don't have one already. I just like try to show you. And once you logged in into your account, because I cannot access my account at the moment, or I don't even have like one, but of course, like to enable the 2FA on it, once you access your account, you'll have to go and access the settings of it. So this is going to be basically your dashboard once you're logged in into your account, right? So what you'll need to do is simply go to your icon here at this top right corner. Once you go and click on it, make sure to go and access the settings of your account. And of course, you'll have to locate the security settings. Once you locate the security settings, you will find the 2FA in there and you will be able to add or enable the two-factor authentication right there. So I cannot provide like some visuals for you for better understanding, but let's see, like an example, how to enable the 2FA in Zimbra. So Zimbra, sorry. And yeah, so just like that. And here's an example. I'll just see if they have a blog or something, article that I can check from. So as an example, yeah, as you can see, just access the settings and it's into your Zimbra. Go to advanced, and into advanced, as you can see, you'll find this two-factor authentication. Just go and check this option of enable it and how to enable two-factor authentication features for the web client as example. So you'll have to access the settings again, go to account security, and make sure to click on this setup to the step authentication. And of course, as you can see, if the user clicks on setup that, the configuration process will begin. And the first step shows a brief description about two-step authentication, and the user must click on Begin Setup. As you can see, two-step authentication adds additional security to your account by requiring not only username and password, but also a code from your smartphone. And this added level of security makes it so much more difficult for your account to be compromised by another intruder. So click on begin. Once you click on begin, you'll have to confirm your password that you are, first of all, the real person. And once you do so, of course, as you can see, the next step to retrieve the other components the user must have in case an app in the smartphone. As an example, the two-factor authentication wizard will show you a wiki link with the OTP app Zimbra recommendation to use. And once the user has installed the app, like Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or maybe some like extensions, just go, and of course, once you install the app, the 2FA wizard will show you a unique key that the users must enter on the smartphone OTP app. So, as an example, if you're using Google Authenticator, like I'm going or I use normally. So once you just type on it or click on it, you'll find the plus button at the bottom right corner. If you click on it, you'll be able to scan a QR code if they give you a code. But in our case here, we'll have to click on enter setup key, which is the second option. Here you'll have to give it the account name. So you'll just give it a label name, whatever name you want. And then you'll have to enter the key that is provided right here, as you can see, which is like hidden in here or block. So then you can choose the type of key, but just let it as time based. You can of course choose the counter base, but normally or recommended is time based. So enter your key that is provided here, enter the label name as an account name, and then time based, and click on add, and you will find it there with a code that keep refreshing every 20 seconds. And as you can see, so Google Authenticator, as you can see how to install the configure OTP on smartphone app. So Google Authenticator, which I use, and as you can see, you'll have to enter the key, and then you'll have to enter the code that is given by the app, and click on next. And then as you can see, you'll find success, so you'll be able to click on finish. And as you can see, once you do so, you'll find even here everything, as you can see, in the user preferences, accounts, account security. If the admin has enabled these options under the COS, the user will see more options like the one-time codes, trusted devices, and applications as like those. So, and you'll be good to go. So once now you're trying to log in into your account, they'll ask you for username and password, and even the code using the Google Authenticator to add a more extra security. Of course, they give you some codes. As an example, if you lost access to your phone, if it's stolen or something like that, make sure to copy those and save them anywhere safe, or even print them on paper and save them for if in case just you lost the phone, you cannot get the code anymore. And yeah, so of course you can even check this option to trust this computer if you want to, you don't have, if you don't want to like keep entering this code all over and over, if it's a personal computer that you has a code on and etc. And yeah, so that's gonna be it. So there you have it. You successfully know how to enable the 2FA on your Zimbra account or Zimbra account in 2024. And if you have any questions or there's a specific topic that you would like me to cover in next tutorial, just drop it down below in the comment section. I'll try to do this as soon as possible. And if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.